In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GST inclusive invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you're running a business, managing your finances efficiently is crucial, and adding GST to your invoices is one of those essential tasks. Let's walk through it step by step so you can get your invoices set up correctly. To get started, open up Chrome and head over to QuickBooks Online. Once there, enter your credentials to log into your QuickBooks account. You'll be greeted by the QuickBooks dashboard, which might seem a bit overwhelming if you're new, but don't worry, we're going to navigate through it together. You'll notice a menu along the left-hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on Sales or Invoices. This will take you to a section where you can manage all of your sales activities. Here, look for a button that says Create Invoice or New Invoice and click on it to start preparing your invoice. Now you'll need to fill in the customer details and the invoice information, just like you usually would. Be sure to double check these details to avoid any mistakes later on. Once you have your customer and invoice info sorted out, direct your attention to the tax or sales tax section on the invoice screen. If you've yet to set up GST in your QuickBooks account, you'll need to do so now. Look for an option that says Set up Sales Tax or Manage Sales Tax and click on it. This will guide you through the process of configuring your sales tax settings. Select your tax agency, which would be the GST authority in your country. Depending on your region, you might need to provide a GST registration number, so have that handy if required. Next, you'll need to select the applicable GST rate for your products or services. Typically, rates might be something like 5%, 12%, or 18%, so make sure you choose the correct one for your specific business. After completing the tax setup, return to your invoice draft. On your invoice, focus on the tax column or section for every line item where you'll need to select the appropriate GST rate. What's great about QuickBooks is that it will automatically calculate the GST amount and seamlessly add it to your invoice total, taking the math off your shoulders. Before you finalize everything, take a moment to review your invoice. Ensure that GST is being applied correctly to each line item and that your totals are accurate. Once you're satisfied with everything, you can either click Save if you're not ready to send it yet, or Send to finalize and send the invoice directly to your customer. And that's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage GST on your invoices in QuickBooks Online, helping to streamline your accounting process. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.